Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Sorry, just need to adjust the microphone a bit. So on the VeChain chart, we are dealing with the third wave to the upside most likely. It is possible that we are going up very directly without any deep pullbacks. We had a deep pullback, right? We had a 1-2 setup, and now it's going possibly in the third wave. And sometimes in third waves, the pullbacks are shallow. This was quite deep, okay, and the price reacted to this support on the 20th of December, then held a higher low, which is crucial for a 1-2 setup. And I think the bottom line is, to keep it very simple, the bottom line is the trend is up overall here, yeah, as long as the market holds above the Monday low, above the 4-cent level. That's crucial. I mean, that's the bottom line. How the market is moving up, I mean, in 5 waves would be ideal, but sometimes in a third wave, they are not very well defined. I mean, just look at the wave 1. There wasn't really much structure there. It all happened very quickly. And yeah, that's why on the smallest time frame, sometimes you see a lot of distortions. I still try to give you my best current view of the microstructure, but how the third wave is developing. But question is how exact. I mean, I'm considering the market is already in the third of a third. Okay, so this one might have been a wave 1 of 3. Pullback in wave 2, extremely shallow. I can remove that support area for now because it does look as if this wave 2 bottomed already. This could be another 1-2 setup, but I'm not labeling that because I've run out of wave degrees. But then it would need to rally quite aggressively now because this would be literally the third wave of a third wave of a third wave. So we'll see if it does it. If this is really this third wave, then the first ideal target is at 5.9 cents. And the immediate trend is up against that last swing low. It's not an absolute must to stay above that level. I mean, if we break below it, we could still consider this a 1-2 setup. So maybe it will just need a, another attempt, right? But for now, I've removed the support area because it doesn't really look like a 5-wave move up anymore. I mean, this was maybe even this. So 1-2, okay. But with this additional high, it looks more as if a third wave is already running. So from that point of view, I'm just saying, okay, we've got this previous swing low, certainly as long as we are above that, there is no indication at all that that like some kind of a top is in place, so there's no indication at all. So we're holding above that higher low. And the next resistance, and this is now getting interesting because the market is approaching, let's say, these previous swing highs. Yeah, this is quite crucial. These previous swing highs, it's around 5.4 cents, that previous swing high, and that one, these two. And this could just be a little bit of, resistance along the way, I think. Well, if the wave count is correct, and if the market really is in a third of a third wave, then the market should break above that level next. And I'm not happy yet to give another support area because, I mean, there are only these key levels, right? These previous swing lows. We could even say that this one, if the upper one breaks, then we can watch this one, just the next support basically. But I don't really have a very reliable microstructure. Therefore, I don't want to say, okay, we have another reversal area or anything. We don't. It's a bit unclear. But I can tell you that I'd like to see the market move towards the 5.9 cent level next, at least, okay, maybe even higher. Then at some point we should get this wave 4 and the wave 5. For now, the overall bullish assumption is still in play. But you see that this here looks a bit like a broader range. And this looks just like a counter trend move somehow, maybe within that range. So we have that, let's say, that barrier, that resistance level next, and this would be the next objective for the bulls, right? To get the price above that 5.4 cent level. Now, overall, looking at the bigger picture, let's go to the larger degree VeChain chart. Let's take a look at the VeChain long-term chart here. Very important. You see that the market is still holding support. Okay, you don't see it yet. Okay, no, but let's okay, there you go. The price also held above the 50% retracement. I just want to see a little bit more upside momentum here now. and I'm watching for at least one more high. And this could take the price to round about 10.8 cents, maybe 13.3 cents next in wave C of wave 2, which is a corrective bounce. So wave 1 to the downside in the yellow scenario, then A, B, C structure to the upside. That C wave would ideally get another high. I'm watching for that, and on the larger time frame, the key support level is the 3.3 cent level. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.